Methods for iterating over strings. If you need to perform operations on individual Unicode scalar values, the best way to do so is to use the chars method. Calling chars on this Hindi word separates out and returns 6 values of type char, and you can iterate over the result to access each element. That wasn't what I expected. There we are. This code will print the following. Kinda. So the diacritics are separate here, but when I did it, they were combined. The bytes method returns each raw byte, which might be appropriate for your domain. Cough, cough, unlikely. Nah, just kidding. So E main then we'll insert 2 of those. How about some formatting, Rust? Rust format. Ooh. I'll solve that later. So crun. There they are. This code will print the 18 bytes that make up this string. But be sure to remember that valid Unicode scalar values may be made up of more than 1 byte. Getting grapheme clusters from strings is complex, so this functionality is not provided by the standard library. Crates are available on crates.io if this is the functionality you need. Strings are not so simple. To summarize, strings are complicated. Different programming languages make different choices about how to present this complexity to the programmer. Rust has chosen to make the correct handling of string data the default behavior for all Rust programs, which means programmers have to put more thought into handling UTF-8 data up front. This trade-off exposes more of the complexity of strings than is apparent in other programming languages, but it prevents you from having to handle errors involving non-ASCII characters later in your development lifecycle. Let's switch to something a bit less complex: hash maps.